Hey guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I'll be showing you how to create a ChatGPT account. So in order to do this, first of all, navigate to any browser on your PC, go to the search bar and type in ChatGPT. Then hit enter and you will see some search results. From these, you'll have to choose the one that says openai.com/ChatGPT. Click on this link and it is going to open up another page. Through ChatGPT, you can get answers, find inspiration, and be more productive. It is free to use, easy to try, so just ask and ChatGPT can help with writing, learning, brainstorming, and more. So in order to create your account, you'll have to click on this Start Now button just right here. After you click on Start Now, it is going to prompt you to this page and it will show you a pop-up saying login or sign up. So you'll have to click on the sign up button just right here. And when you click on the sign up button, it is going to push you to the create an account page. Here you can sign up using Google, Microsoft account, Apple or email address. So you can choose your desired way to sign up and create an account on ChatGPT. So what I'm going to do is sign up using my email address. That is, create an account using email address. So go to the email address section and enter an email address in this field and click on continue. Now, after you click on continue, it will verify you and prompt you to this page where you'll have to create a strong password. So in the password field, enter a password that has capital letters, small letters, numbers and a symbol. After that, make sure your password has at least 12 characters and click on continue. Now it is going to prompt you to another page, that is verify your email page. So click on open Gmail. So search for a Gmail received from ChatGPT and click on verify email address. Now, after you click on verify your email address, it is going to prompt you to another page, that is tell us about your page. On this page, you'll have to enter your full name, enter your birth date and click on agree. After you click on agree, it is going to log in into the ChatGPT's dashboard. So this is ChatGPT's dashboard. Now you can navigate to the massive ChatGPT section, create awesome prompts. You can click on the new chat button, open a new chat, do the conversation again, and you have your profile icon at the top right corner. You can navigate to My GPTs, customize ChatGPT, navigate to settings, upgrade to a pro plan, or log out. So that's how you create a ChatGPT account. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.